message to 1000 plus customers, and yes, I've done this without any manual intervention or risking my number getting blocked. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages and do the WhatsApp marketing for your business without risking your number getting blocked and for free. Yes, you can send 100 plus WhatsApp messages for free using Pabbly Chatflow, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. So let's see how to do this. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you try Pabbly Chatflow for free, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is RITYT. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, so the risk of your number getting blocked gets very less. Apart from that, you can run your entire business on WhatsApp. You can automate marketing, sales and customer support just by using Pabbly Chatflow. So let's see first how we can send bulk WhatsApp messages. For that, you just have to come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number till now, what you can do is you're going to get the video on the dashboard and also in the description box below, where you can learn how to add your WhatsApp number step by step. You can refer to that video, move on further and add your WhatsApp number. The benefit of purchasing Pabbly Chatflow is this too, that you're going to get the tutorial of each step, and that too on our YouTube channel. Now, once you're on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, from the left hand of the side, go on this broadcast section and click on this add broadcast button. Once you come on this add broadcast button, you just have to choose your broadcast type as broadcast campaign and name your broadcast. I'm just going to name this broadcast as skincare offer right over here. Then let me just move on further. It is asking me to choose the audience. So in order to upload the audience, you have two options. You can upload a CSV file. When you go on this section, you simply have to upload a CSV file right over here. From where you're going to get the CSV files, you have to enter all the lead details in a spreadsheet, go on download and download that in CSV format, and you can simply upload it directly over here. And apart from that, the second option is choose an existing contact list. So if you have already created a contact list, for that from the left hand of the side, you have to come on this contact section, and over here you can create the contacts. You can go on this add contact button, and from here also you can upload bulk contacts, add single contacts and create contact list. What you can do is you can simply choose your contact list right over here, and once you choose your contact list, you are good to go. Over here you can choose multiple contact lists and also a single or two too. Okay, totally depends upon you. Like this, you can move on further. If you want to exclude some contact list, you can simply exclude the contact list too right over here. Apart from that, if you want to exclude some specific contacts, then you can simply select the contacts to whom you do not want to send this WhatsApp message. Apart from that, if you want to exclude the contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window, you can switch on this button and it is going to skip the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. Apart from that, the next is this message type. So over here, if you want to send a pre-approved template message, you can simply go from the left hand of the side towards this template section, and over here you have to create your own template. You can add a template or make sure that you can generate it with AI too. Apart from that, you have to make sure that the template gets approved, and once it is approved by Meta, you are good to go, and then you can use it right over here. But if the template is in pending section, then you cannot use it. You have to make sure that the Meta approves the template first. Okay, once the Meta approves the template, you can simply search for the template right over here, and then you can simply select the template and use it further. And as you can see, I've simply selected my template right over here. Apart from that, if you want to go for a regular message, you can go on this regular message section, select the message type, select the message right over here, and you are good to go. Whatever message you're going to enter, you're going to see the preview of the same on the right hand of the side too. You can also choose the message type as image, file, video and audio. And now let me just go back towards the template section. I've chosen my template right over here. I use this because in this template I've added a button, and as you can see, this is that button. When I can move on further and create a chatbot using this button further. If you want to learn how to create a chatbot, the video is attached in the description box below. You can refer to that. Now let me just move on further. It is asking for the contact name and the mobile number. So why is it asking me for this? So before sending this particular WhatsApp message to hundreds and thousands of people at once, what we can do is we can simply test it ourselves. I can simply enter my own name and my own WhatsApp mobile number and click on this send test message message to receive this message myself, and then I can verify if this message is correct or not. I feel this message is correct, and I can move on further and send it to all the contacts. For that, I'm just going to get two options. I can schedule it for later or send instantly. If I want to schedule this for later, I can go on this yes, schedule for later, and then I can choose the date and time directly from here. Like let's say I want to schedule it for 15th of August 1 p.m. so I've choose the same. If I want to send it instantly, I can go on no send instantly and then add broadcast button, and then it will be sent instantly. Apart from that, if you want to automatically retry for failed contacts, so what is this? So let's say in my contact list or the CSV file which I've uploaded, I have a total of 100 of contacts, and then let's say to 90 the message was sent, but to 10 it got failed. Yes, this happens. So what is going to happen is for the failed contacts, you do not have to create the new broadcast again. You can simply switch on this button and retry for them. You can simply select the number of retries and the wait between the retries. The wait can be between 12 to 72 hours, and the maximum number of retries is 3 right over here. You can simply select and click on this add broadcast button, and the broadcast is sent instantly because I selected no send instantly. It is live right now. Once this is sent, I can view the stats of the broadcast, how many was sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. And it is going to automatically retry for failed contacts in 12 hours. Yes, like this, I've successfully learned how to send bulk WhatsApp messages and do the WhatsApp marketing of my own business. You also go try this for your own business, because right now you can send 100 WhatsApp messages for free using Pabbly Chatflow. And then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, do not forget RITYT is an amazing discount coupon code, which is my discount coupon code. It is going to get you the 6% off, which is highest right now on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. And apart from that, if you have any queries, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.